Good morning, guys. Manchester Magnet men. We're out for the first time after lockdown since the rules have been lifted and eased. We've come to the Manchester Ship Canal, found a nice little place where we can gain access to right to the water. So let's see what treats we find. It's been a while, hasn't it, lads?
Yeah, I can't wait to throw that magnet out. Can't wait.
Can't wait. Jay's got his he's itching, he's ready to go. He's like a little whippet dog chasing that rabbit. So yeah, stay tuned, guys, and we'll see what we find. So yeah, we've moved on now from up there. We've come to the main jetty. It's the Manchester Ship Canal. It's where all the ships pass through, stuff like that. Lovely day today. Sorry about the noise, but yeah, have a little fish. Lee and Jason. He's gone all the way over there. The man's all the way over there, and he's been speaking to the dogs come all the way back to see us. Yeah. See as well. For all you bird lovers out there. There's a bird over here, you can see it on the nest there. Apparently it comes back every year, the nest. But yeah. Obviously they've been dipping for about 10 minutes now. Pretty clean this bit here, but it's quite deep as well. So we'll see what we get. Stay here for a couple of hours and then to the next location to get a next video for you beauts. We're using the Brute magnet, double-sided, an absolute beast. As you can tell, I've not cleaned it off at all from the last dipping since lockdown. Lee's made a contraption for his rope around an old cart wheel.
From 1942, that was from.
Here's the man himself, Jason. He's been
Hello,
itching.
Guys.
Look how fluffy his hair is today. It's not normally in his gelled up comb over way, is it?
I need an haircut. Can't wait for the barbers to open again.
That's it. But lovely scenery. I've been coming down here for years, since I was a little boy. Still am a little boy, aren't I? Leave his hood up halfway up there. Woo! The sound of that, eh? Gets you going, doesn't it? You get your hair sticking up on the back of your neck. Oh yeah. Craig's currently not here today. He's elsewhere doing another video by himself, hopefully, or he might get cold feet and not go out by himself. He gets a bit scared like that sometimes, doesn't he, lads?
Yeah.
He's the chicken man, because he's a bit of a chicken. Now watch me drop my phone now in this. Got another lady here coming over here. I think it's a lady anyway, with a camera, so we're going to get asked what we do here. I had another guy before, we told him what we do, he's going home to have a look at us on YouTube, innit?
Yeah.
So, if you're watching this video, mate, nice to meet you. Oh yeah.
That's what it's chosen like, so.
Quite clean here, not even nothing on the magnet, is there?
Yeah, spotless, mate.
Spotless. But these are the kind of places that people use it for dumping evidence. Getting rid of guns, knives, safes. You name it, they get rid of it. So there's going to be a lot of videos coming along. Big things, isn't they, boys? We're going to do a lot of live shows, magnet giveaways, travelling the world, as they say. Around the world in 90 days. You're getting down there, Lee? I think Lee's going to slide down on that little pillar here and get on that little bottom ledge. Hopefully he doesn't fall. I hope he does. Oh yeah, fell off a flat roof, he did, Lee. Throwing a bed off and his fucking screws caught him and thrown him down. Went down like a ninja, landed like fucking Mr. Teletubby. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Hopefully find some nice stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. So this is where Lee goes down. Down, 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 down. Yeah, don't have your wallet out, mate. Don't try this at home, people. All stunts are performed by professionals. Hey.
Biscuit for a biscuit.
Oh! Pay £2 at a fair ride to go down a little slope like that. Whee! Is it? So we've moved down now to this little dock. Back in the day there used to be a little boat that used to join Flixton and Earlham. Used to go over, transporting people over. So we're hoping there's going to be a bit of stuff there. There's already a bit of fly tipping happened. Look, he's got it stuck on there. I won't put in the brute magnet in there.
Yeah, the beast ain't going in there, is it?
Fuck that. Go on, big man. Whoa! Whoa!
Hey,
Fucking hell, nearly.
Sorry, love.
It looks weird with your hair like that, Jay. Honest to God, I've not seen his hair like that for fucking years.
It makes me look younger, doesn't it?
It really does. You look really smart like that, mate.
Should we show everyone my bra strap today?
Yeah, so show everyone his bra straps. He went out fishing, not magnet fishing.
Went out fishing
yesterday. Look at the fucking state of his bra straps here. Look at the state of them.
Get in there, slowly but surely. Just waiting for that sun to come out.
Oh God. So you on there, Lee? You on summit? Have a go at mine if you want, Jay. It's already out the bag. It's out the back of my van there. Have a look on it. Might be coins on it, Lee. Coins. Stay tuned, guys. Let's see what we find. So Jason couldn't resist.
Any tighter? Get me not out. Oh, fucking hell.
Well, the rope is going to snap now. I'm going to go in there now.
Lovely, lovely day. What a wonderful day to magnet fish. Crazy out, look at that. Tree growing out of a bloody a railway sleeper. Look at that, crazy. Nature, eh? Beautiful, beautiful. Whoa, look at him here now!
No, it's just so I can keep my distance away from the side.
You're gonna fall over. Dip, dip, dip in. Lay a little egg for me. Like and subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos. Yeah, the Manchester Magnet Men After Dark. It's like he's enjoying himself there, Jay, doesn't it?
Pardon?
Does it feel good to be back?
Yep, feels lovely.
Whoa, fucking hell.
Sorry, my love. Sorry, cameraman.
Cameraman. Fucking hell. I left my GoPro at home again. So we've resulted into using the mobile.
Got stolen by your child.
Got stolen by my child, yeah. Oh God, what's he got here? Was it magnetic? Oh, he's done it again, hasn't he?
Oh, do you want horse's arse? Oh shit.
Oh shit, that moment Lee knew he fucked up.
Again.
Again. Have you got some of that, Jay? Oh, look, all these bubbles. We like bubbles, don't we?
Yeah, just like
Oh, I can see something. Something silver. Woo! His first bite wheel.
The first find of
The day. Oh, oh, God, that looks pretty clean, that, doesn't it? Oh, mud all over you. Fucking brilliant. Hello. Facial. Oh, look at that. Shouldn't wear great. Put it there. Scrap man, right there as well.
But the person that designed the Manchester Magnet Men t-shirt, David Jones, decided to choose grey. So that's why it is grey.
Hey, fucking dick, you've got me wet.
You're joking me. You are joking me.
Look at Susie. She's wet.
Susan!
The Susan.
Oh, mate, I'm not happy with that. I'm going home to get changed.
No, you're not going home to get
I
changed.
know I'm not.
Swap t-shirts.
Yeah, let's
Mate, fucking hell, you got me here. Fucking hell.
Oh, you still stuck? You still stuck?
Only he's still stuck.
Oh, mate.
going down.
You're going down.
That's the first find. It smell like shit.
The joys of magnet fishing, mate.
Hope that fence is strong. Otherwise I'm in.
Look at the fucking madman.
Come here, you horse's arse.
Your horse's arse?
Yeah. I thought that magnet was pretty sleek.
Pretty shit.
Makes a difference now.
I thought you were falling then, mate.
Things you do to get
Now, if you jolt it to the side.
He's fucking lost his magnet.
Mate, how much play have you got in that rope?
Well, no, but
Don't you?
time to the
Oh God, what are you doing here now?
Oh,
Lee?
go on, Lee, you've got it.
So this is the pros and cons about magnet fishing, isn't it?
can't kiss and tell. Just do it.
The fucking.
Oh my God!
He's got his stuck on the other bit now. For fuck's sake! Come on, get it off. You know, you eat your bits this morning, or your porridge, have you?
No, the sausage butty.
The sausage butty instead.
Just watch your phone, Dave.
You know,
Snap
that
that
rope,
rope.
snap.
Fuck!
Lee's first time out and he's lost his own magnet.
And I can see it.
Never leave a magnet behind, mate. Never leave a magnet behind.
Someone did that, so I found it.
Yeah. Where are you going, Jay? You're gonna losing your wellies. It's always running off. Summit. Help! I'm in the cupboard!
I'm in the bush!
I'm in the bush! What are you doing? Oh God. Leave your phone! Your phone! Don't. Heard Farmer Giles!
Come on, baby! Try and...
The moment Lee knew he fucked up. Yay!
Comes in handy.
Fucking hell. Hey! What a morning! What an eventful morning already, Lee.
Yeah, unlimited depth, unnected.
Yeah, get your words out. Come on.
Don't matter, I've had a stroke.
You finally got the little
Too
fucker back.
excited.
He's finally got it back.
That rope, no go.
No go. Don't buy that kind of rope. You marked your magnet there, mate.
I know, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, don't buy that rope. It was from, where did you buy it?
I think it is Home Bargains.
Home Bargains.
$7.99, spend it on something else.
Yeah, spend it on something else.
Like a cake.
Like a cake or something, yeah. So, I'm gonna have a little dip down here. I think this is the safest option in between these little gates here. Yeah, let's see what we find.